GTII, Stock Thursday. In this 1 minute video, I'm covering technical analysis of price predictions on global tech industry stock. So, global tech industry stock is sitting at 0.29 cents, dollars actually, so 29 cents. This is how my technical analysis looks like. Just for more context, I'm using a strategy and system that has previously delivered thousands of wins only 2023, both longs and shorts, and I'm telling you this because it is the truth. Previously, I had just kind of had some lines on the directional bias. This is irrelevant right here because we started breaking structure like crazy, and now actually we've seen a bullish increase in price. Let's see if this was actually a range shift. I mean, yeah, for sure. Then we had a bullish structure break right here. If there is one more bullish break above this zone, then I'm starting to look at it from a bullish lens. But right now we're right here, so that will need to do something like this. And then if it pulls back and gives me some rules in this demand area, this is when I'm actually only then taking it higher. But yes, man, I mean, I'm very specific because it's kind of a sniper approach with my strategy. Only looking on for pullbacks and only at a certain point. This is why I'm following other thicker symbols and only waiting for my rules to be met because I've seen this working for me and I've documented it for 17,500 plus videos. So yes, I have a lot of experience with this strategy. Check out the free articles below.